Indus flows southwards till it reaches the Arabian Sea east of Karachi port in Pakistan. It has a total length of 2,900 km and it is one of the longest rivers of the world. Its one-third basin is located in India in the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. The rest is in Pakistan. As per the Indus Water Treaty signed between India and Pakistan in 1960, India can utilize only 20% of water carried by the Indus River system. Punjab, Haryana and southern and western parts of Rajasthan uses this water for irrigation. Now, let's discuss about the Ganga river system. The headwater of Ganga, called the Bhagirathi, is fed by Gangotri glacier and joined by the Alaknanda at Devprayag in Uttarakhand. At Haridwar, the Ganga emerges from the mountains on the plains. The Ganga is joined by many tributaries from the Himalayas, a few of them being major rivers such as the Yamuna, the Ghagra, the Gandak and the Kosi. Dear children, the length of the Ganga is over 2,500 kilometers. The river Yamuna rises from the Yamunotri glacier in the Himalayas. It flows parallel to the Ganga as a right bank tributary. It meets the Ganga at Allahabad. The Ghagra, the Gandak and the Kosi rise in the Nepal Himalayas. The Ganga's main tributaries, which come from the peninsular upland, are the Chambal, the Betwa and the Son. These rise from semi-arid areas, have shorter courses and do not carry much water in them. The Ganga flows eastwards till Farakka in West Bengal. Here it divides into two branches and forms a distributary known as the Bhagirathi Hooghly, which flows into the Bay of Bengal. The main stream of the Ganga flows into Bangladesh, where it is joined by the Brahmaputra coming from Assam to form the Meghna. It flows into the Bay of Bengal, forming Sundarban Delta, the world's largest delta, where Sundari trees are found. Now, let's discuss about another important river, the Brahmaputra river system. The Brahmaputra rises in Tibet east of Mansarovar Lake, very close to the sources of the Indus and the Satluj. It is slightly longer than the Indus and most of its course lies outside India. On reaching the Namcha Barwa, it takes a U-turn and enters India in Arunachal Pradesh through a Jord. Dear children, a Jord is a narrow valley between hills or mountains, typically with steep rocky walls. A stream running through it is called a gorge. Now, Brahmaputra is slightly longer than the Indus and most of its course lies outside India. It is joined by many tributaries like Dibang, Lohit, etc., to form the Brahmaputra in Assam. It carries very little silt and water from Tibet as it is a cold and dry area. In Assam, it carries a large amount of water and large amount of silt because Assam is a high rainfall area. It has a braided canal in Assam forming many riverine islands. Mujali Island, the world's largest riverine island, is formed by it. Brahmaputra overflows its bank during the monsoon every year, causing severe floods in Assam and Bangladesh, which causes a lot of destruction of life and property.